Hello viewers, assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you will be good and healthy position and sound position. Today we are proceeding next MCQs of the topic of integration or integral. Question number 25, integration sin x cos x dx, what is the result? So look here, we have know that the formula for the integration of sin x and cos x dx, if function is available, so that formula we are using here, f of x power n and f dash x dx, so the result will be equal to f of x whole power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. According to this formula, look here, f of x is equal to sin x and its derivative is cos x. So function f of x, we put here sin x and its derivative is already present here cos x. So it means that we use this formula f of x whole power n, and here f of x is equal to sin x whole power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus c. So we get here sin x square divided by 2 plus c. Now we check the option C is here the correct option. 26, integration 1 divided by x into x square minus 1 under root dx. We know that the formula of secant derivative of secant inverse x is equal to 1 divided by x square minus 1. That is the derivative of formula. If we are finding secant inverse x, we change dx here, dx divided by x and x square minus 1. If we take the integration on both sides, this will be cancelled. So we get here secant inverse x plus c is of that integration. It means that here the correct answer is D, secant inverse x. We have know that derivative of tangent x is equal to secant square x. That is the formula of the derivative. If we dx change here, so d integration x and secant square x dx. If we apply integration on both sides, this will be cancelled. Reverse process of the integration is 1 by d. So tangent x plus c is equal to of integration this one. So the correct option here, C is the correct option. Number 28, integration 1 by f of x and its derivative is in the numerator is, as the product form is given in the numerator. So that is the formula. We have formula in log of f of x plus c. That is the formula you must be remember. If in the denominator function is available and its derivative is available present in the numerator, so we will take log of f of x plus c. Integration is the reverse process of antiderivative, derivative or differentiation. So here option C is the correct answer. Because we have already discussed in the first video, integration is the process or procedure by which we finding their function from their derivative or differentiation. So that is called integration. Question number 30 integration of minus sin x dx. So as we know that the first of all we change here the first the coefficient of sin x is equal to -1. We can write -1 sin x dx. So this is the formula of integration of so integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x plus c. So minus multiply, so we get here cos x and plus c. Cos x plus c is the correct option here. D is the correct option. Question number 31, integration of tangent x dx. So according to the formula of integration, we can write integration tangent x dx. So tangent x sin x divided by cos x dx. So this is function and its derivative must be present here. So cos x derivative is equal to minus sin x. So it means that here we multiply by -1. -1 we can write multiply. So -1 we get same plus 1 and cos x dx. Now function and its derivative is available. So we can write minus log of cos x plus c. This is the formula. So here the answer B is the correct option. Tangent x we can write tangent x sin x divided by cos x. So cos x derivative is minus sin x. It means that here we are required minus and sin is multiply and minus minus we get plus cos x dx. So here according to the rule we can write cos x plus c. Now in the question log of x is not available, so we change this question here according to the rule of logarithm. N log of m is equal to log of mn. Here the coefficient is 1 -1. We change here log of cos x power -1 plus c. So log of, we can write cos inverse, we change into positive cos x 1 over cos x plus c. So log of 1 over cos x is equal to secant x plus c. Now here the correct option is, look here, C is the correct option in this situation. So both of integration tangent x in different form we have done. Square and tangent x dx. Now here we know that tangent x derivative is secant square x. We put the supposition here, put tangent x is equal to secant tangent put is equal to t. If differentiate with respect to x, we can write tangent x derivative secant square x dx is equal to dt. Now secant square x dx is equal to dt. We put here dt and tangent x we have put t under root. So that will be equal to dt and t 1 by 2 is equal to t minus 1 by 2 dt. According to the rule, we are using t minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. Here t is equal to 1 over 2 and minus we get 1 over 2. 1 over 2 plus c. 2 we can write 1 by 2 reciprocal of that one, so t under root plus c. 2 is 2, t is equal to what? We have supposed that tangent x plus c. Now the option here b is the correct answer. Put here x plus 2 is equal to t Now differentiating with respect to x, so 2 is constant value, its derivative is 0, dx is equal to dt. Now we substitute the result here, and x is also required, x is equal to, we can write t minus 2. We change to here because here x is available. We put the value of x is equal to t minus 2 and x plus 2 we put here t, and dx is equal to dt. Now we divide this one, t divided by t minus 2, t divided by 2, so dt. Now apply this one, we can both are cancel. Here is 1 dt minus integration 2, outside from the integration dt divided by t. We can write here both are cancel this one, t minus 2 log of t plus c. Now substitute the result of t we have already supposed that t is equal to x plus 2 minus 2 log of x plus 2 plus c. Now here minus 2 minus x plus 2, we put this result x plus 2 minus 2 x plus 2. So correct option is here, C is the correct option. For sin x dx, what is the result? So according to the rule we are using, let us suppose that log of sin x is equal to log of sin x is equal to f of x. Log of sin x, if we take its derivative, so log of sin is 1 over sin x, and further derivative of sin x, sin x 1 over sin x, log of sin is 1 over sin, and further derivative of sin x, further derivative of sin x. So the result will be sin x is equal to cos x divided by sin x. So look here, this result is available, so we can write according to the rule f of x, so log of sin x whole power 1 plus 1 and 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus c. So log of sin x as a whole power 2 divided by 2 plus c. So look here, option C is the correct option. According to the rules formula we have used here, C is the correct option. 9x. So as we know that according to the rule e power x and dx, we get e power x and further derivative of x plus c. So e power x and further derivative x is equal to 1 plus c. And here similarly we are using here e power 9x and divided by e 9x derivative of x plus c. Here e power 9x and x derivative we get 9 plus c. Now we check the answer here. Option C is the correct option. Integration e power sin x cos x. What is the result? We are substitution method. We are using here sin x derivative is cos x. So put sin x is equal to t. So sin x derivative is cos x dx is equal to dt. So that result is dt, and e power t, so dt we put here dt cos x is equal to dt. So e power t and further derivative of t is equal to 1 plus c. So e power t plus c, and here e power t is equal to sin x plus c. So check the answer. Option A is the correct option. Option A is correct. Dx divided by 3 plus x square. Accordingly, we have know that the formula of integration of dx a square plus x square dx. According to this formula, we know that 1 over a tangent inverse x by a plus c. We use here this formula. First of all, a value is not square. We can write this in the form of this one. So we can write 3 under root whole square. We get here square root and square both are cancelled to each other. So we get 3 plus x square. Now we get the same result here. Look here, in replace of a, we put here 3 under root. This is the value of a, and tangent inverse x divided by 3 under root plus c. Plus c. Now check the result here. Result is C is the correct option. C is the correct option. Integration of 1 plus x square plus 2x dx. Again we are using substitution method, because here look here, we put here put x square plus 2x is equal to t. Now differentiating with respect to x, here we put here 2 and dt. That means that, and here numerator we are multiplying and dividing by 2, because here 2 is required. We can multiply, derivative is 2x plus 2 is required. So if here we divide and multiply by 1 plus x, so we get here x square plus 2x dx. So the same result here we will get here 2 are cancelled, 1 by 2 integration of, here we can write log of x square plus 2x plus c. Now here 2 is we can change also in the square root x square plus 2x under root form, because 1 over 2 we can write according to the n log of power m. So that rule is that one we use n log of m is equal to log of m power n. So we change here 1 by 2 log of x square plus 2x. We can change here log of x square plus 2x whole power 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to the square root x square plus 2x. And we change this result in this form. Now here option B is the correct option. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Inshallah, step by step we are going. And once again, appreciate you in advance all of you to subscribe my channel.